Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your GK teacher. Today, I am going to discuss chapter 13, that is World of Leaves. So let's start our chapter. Children, leaves are of different size and shape. We are familiar with the leaves. We can easily identify a plant or a tree. Now here, leaves of some plants are shown to you and you have to identify their names. So the first leaf given to us is of papaya. This is the leaf of the plant papaya. This is the plant of papaya that you can see on your screen. This is the plant of papaya and here this is the leaf. Now you can easily identify after seeing the leaf of papaya and you can easily tell that this is of papaya leaf. Next picture shown to us is of eucalyptus leaf. These leaves are of eucalyptus tree. Children, this is eucalyptus tree that you can see on your screen. Eucalyptus is a fast growing evergreen tree native to Australia. As an ingredient in many products, it is used to reduce symptoms of coughs also. So it is a very useful plant. And here the leaves, you can identify eucalyptus tree by seeing the leaves also. The next leaf shown to us is of rose. This you can easily identify. A rose is a woody perennial flowering plant of the genus Rosa in the family Rosaceae, or a flower it bears. There are over 300 species and tens of thousands of cultivars. They form a group of plants that can be erect, shrubs, climbers, or trailing, with stems that are often armed with sharp prickles. Next leaf shown to us is of guava. Guava is a common tropical fruit cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions. Guava is a small tree in the Myrick family native to Mexico. The next leaf shown to us is of banyan tree. These leaves are of banyan tree. Children, banyan is a fig that begins its life as an epiphyte, that is, a plant that grows on another plant. When its seed germinates in a crake of a host trees or edifice. The next type of leaves shown to us is of bamboo tree. Children, bamboos are a diverse group of evergreen perennial flowering plants. The origin of the word bamboo is uncertain, but it probably comes from the Dutch or Portuguese language, which originally borrowed it from Malaya or Kannada. Now the next leaf shown to us is of neem tree. Neem tree is of the mahogany family. It is one of the two species in the genus and is native to the Indian subcontinent and most of the countries in Africa. It is typically grown in tropical and semi-tropical regions. It has so many benefits. We are having so many benefits of neem. We can use it as antiseptic also. Next leaf shown to us is of lemon. This is a lemon leaf, and you can see the lemon tree also in the given picture. Children, the lemon is a species of small evergreen tree in the flowering plant family Rutaceae, native to South Asia, primarily Northeast India. The tree's ellipsoidal yellow fruit is used for culinary and non-culinary purposes throughout the world, primarily for its juice, which has both culinary and cleaning uses. Next leaf shown to us is of lotus. And all of you know that lotus is grown in water. This is the lotus plant, and the flower is also shown. Children, lotus is one of the two extinct species of aquatic plant. It is often called a water lily. Lotus plants are adapted to grow in the flood plains of slow-moving rivers and delta areas. The next leaf shown to us is of peepal. Children, don't get confused among the banyan leaf and of the peepal leaf. Both look alike, but still there is a difference between the banyan leaf and the peepal leaf. The peepal leaf is broad and the pattern is also different. This is the peepal tree shown in the figure. Peepal tree is native to the Indian subcontinent and Indochina. It is also known as Bodhi tree, Pipala tree, Peepal tree and Ashwatha tree. There are many names of this peepal tree. The next leaf shown to us is of banana. See children, it is very big in size. Now see, this is the banana tree. A banana plant is a gigantic herb that springs from an underground stem to form a false trunk 3 to 6 meters high. Now this leaf is of mango tree. This is a mango tree leaf, and here this mango tree is also shown in the picture. See children, mango is a species of flowering plants. Mangoes are believed to have originated from the region between northwest Myanmar, Bangladesh and northeastern India. I hope now you can easily identify the plants by seeing these leaves. Thank you so much.